Fix a broken office chair with inexpensive caster wheels. Let's take a look. Alright, so one of my wheels on one of my office chairs, plastic wheels, as you can see here, just broke, snapped right off. And the one thing about office chairs, if you spend $200 or less, you're probably going to have these type of wheels, and they kind of remind me of Legos. Anyway, I went on Amazon and bought, this is called Pengeltech wheels. I know nothing about Pengeltech, but these are about 20 bucks. These are caster wheels, a set of 5. The wheel itself, I think it's made of polyurethane, kind of rubbery. A single wheel versus 2 plastic wheels on the older wheels, and these are great on carpet. So I replaced all 5, and as you could see, it came out great. So if you have a broken wheel or 2, I just had the one broken wheel. I replaced all of them. So check it out. I will have a link below in the show notes for a set of 5 caster wheels.